Hey, so it's kind of like late at night here, hence the kind of softly spoken voice, but I just had this great idea and I really wanted to share it with you. So this is all about the 10 Design Challenge. It's 10 days of design prompts sent directly to your inbox. So stick around with me to find out how to join, what you can win, who this is for, and what you're going to get out of it. So let's start with who this is for. The 10 Design Challenge is for you. Anybody who wants to get started growing their creative habit can join in and have fun creating something new each day based on these design prompts. Why am I running a challenge like this? Well, for me, it's all about accountability. It's one big thing, right? I have been talking lately in one of my journal posts, I talked a little bit about leveraging something like the 100 Days Project as something to get really jumpstart your design process and to help you get into that kind of iterative design process, I guess really it is. It's part of the design process that I follow. You've probably seen that in the Design Your Own Quilt in 5 Steps process that I've got out there in the world that you can grab a hold of as well if you haven't seen that yet. Design Your Own Quilt in 5 Steps. One of the 5 steps is to iterate. And that iteration is really where the magic happens. You can have an idea and that's fantastic, but once you take that idea and you really take it a bit further and you iterate it, that's really where the magic happens, that iteration. So one of the tools that I talked about, which helps you to get into this iterative kind of process, is to leverage something like the 100 Days Challenge. You've probably seen these on Instagram, on Facebook, or people that you know might have done them. You might have even done one too. I know I've done a couple. But 100 days, it's like, it's pretty big, right? I mean, it's almost a third of a year. So how about we start with 10? The 10 Design Challenge. We're going to start with 10 days, and this is all about kickstarting your creative habit. So here's the deal. This is going to be running from September the 20th to September the 30th. Can you tell I like round numbers, right? 10 days from the 20th of September till the 30th of September 2022. So it's coming up shortly. You've got to sign up for this so you can be part of it. And so each day what you'll do is you'll get an email in your inbox which will have the day's design prompt in it. And I'm not talking like I'm going to give you a list of today you need to draw a cactus and tomorrow you need to draw a mushroom. Not those kind of prompts. I'm talking like expansive, think outside the box, really come up with some kind of cool idea kind of prompts, okay? And then the idea of the challenge is all about kind of accountability, right? You create your design or a series of designs on the one prompt for that day. And then you need to post them to the hashtag Ryde10challenge on Instagram. And at the end of the 10 days, I'm going to draw 2 winners out of everyone who's posted on the hashtag in the 10 days. And you can win an Amazon gift card or a selection of my favorite drawing and sketching tools. And I'll get them sent right to you wherever you are in the world. This is open to everyone, US, Europe, Australia, everywhere, the world. What do you need to do? You need to go to the link that I'm going to have related to this post, up, down, left, right, the bottom of the screen. I'm not sure where this is going to appear yet. And register. Once you're registered, you will be in the email list and you'll be getting the prompts each day. Don't worry if you sign up a bit late, that's not a problem. If you sign up on day 3, day 5, day 7, day 10, you're still going to get an email on that day. It'll be the day 10 email, but you have a link which will take you to all of the design prompts that have been going since day 1, okay? So you have until the 30th of September to do these 10 design prompts. Hashtag Ryde10challenge on Instagram. You can enter 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, as many times as you want. You just need to put the hashtag on, the image that you want to share with your designs. Alright, so let's just recap what this 10 Design Challenge is all about. And stay tuned to hear what my top tips are for succeeding with the challenge and sticking through to the end. So who is this design challenge for? What are you going to get out of it? When is it happening and how does it work? How do you join and how do you enter to win? Well, the 10 Design Challenge is for you. It's for anybody who wants to kickstart a design habit. It's running from the 20th to the 30th of September 2022. and you need to register to join. So you can go to the link on the screen, aliryde.com/10-challenge. Then you need to check your inbox for the design prompts that you'll get delivered to you each day of the challenge. And then you need to post your designs using the hashtag aliryde10challenge on Instagram. And those are valid as your entries to win one of two prizes. There will be a $30 Amazon gift card available, and also a selection of my favorite sketching and drawing tools. And this is open for anybody in the world. So to enter, you can enter each prompt multiple times, you can enter just one prompt just once, and you'll be eligible to be in the draw. Alright, so let's take a quick look now at a couple of questions that I thought might come up. You're going to sketch it, you can use collage, painting, watercolor, fabric, whatever you like. Any medium you're into, that's cool, no worries. Pen, pencil, colors, black and white, monochrome, printing, anything goes. I don't want you to be spending hours and hours on this. This is a small creative action that you're going to take repeatedly over 10 days to try and develop a creative habit. 5 minutes is enough, right? 5 minutes in the morning when you wake up, 5 minutes during a coffee break at work or at lunchtime, or during a nap time, or after the kids go to bed at night. Anytime you've got in the day, just a short amount of time just to sit down and respond to the prompt. Like I said, in any medium you'd like to respond in. If you don't have a lot of art supplies, that's not a big deal either. All you need to get started is a piece of paper and a pencil. Any old pencil, like an HB free pencil you got at the last, truck stop. So we're not talking about 6 foot by 6 foot canvases here. We're talking about small scale sketches, designs. Something that I like to do, I have shared this before in different places, is I like to work in kind of like a grid of small pictures. And so probably the maximum size that I'll be working at is probably about yay big. So what's that, maybe 2.5 inches, 5 centimeters or so by 5 centimeters, square or rectangular or any size you like. And this really gives me the freedom to not only not stare at a blank page that's in front of me, a huge white A4 page or A3 or larger. I'm focusing on a much smaller size, so it's much less overwhelming. We're not going to be creating masterpieces in these next 10 days. Our main focus is to come up and start showing up and developing a creative habit each day. That is the main purpose of this 10-day challenge. It's about accountability, like I said. It's about showing up. It's about getting started. I know so many of you out there are brimming over with ideas, and then it kind of hits you and you're like, well, which one do I choose? Where do I start? How do I know which idea to go with? Which idea should I try and develop before the other one? These 10 days, it's all about getting started. The first small steps. Take it a little bit at a time, one prompt at a time, one day at a time. Jump in, get started. Choose whichever idea that's running around in your head that you think fits the prompt of the day, and then just sit down and do it. Make it easy. Don't make it hard. Make it easy. You want to help yourself get through these 10 days, right? Make it easy. Choose something simple. The important part is to start small, be contained, use what you have on hand, make it easy. Make it easy. Make it easy. All right, so once again, this is the 10 design challenge. It's 10 days of design prompts. They're going to be delivered to your email. All you need to do is click on them, open them up, watch a short video from me each day. So use this time, these 10 days, to really just get kick-started. It's a changing of seasons. Either you're going into springtime or going into autumn. People are going back to school. Things are kind of changing. There seems to be this change in the air. I feel like that anyway. Maybe this is the time when you can jump into something new and start this new creative habit. It's 10 days. You can do it. You can make a commitment for 10 days. 5 minutes a day for 10 days. So click on the link. Like I said, it's around this video somewhere. Click on the link, sign up to get the prompts, and I will see you in your inbox as soon as you do so. All right, I'm so looking forward to seeing what you're going to make, and I'm so looking forward to seeing your ingenuity and your spirit of getting started, just going for it and going all in for 10 days. All right, I'll see you soon.